I was if I'm ready.
Oke, the moment. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. Maya, they are all elementary. Not most of them are elementary students
Okay.
and junior high school,
Okay.
around 7 to 13 years old.
Okay.
Okay, let me speak Indonesian first
Of course.
to make them more enthusiastic. Apa kabar semua? Okay, now we have young lady who is from far away from our country. Yeah,
Yeah.
she is from I don't know. You can ask about her whatever you want to know, and she will explain you and answer all of your questions. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you can give a surface for them, something about yourself.
Okay. So I'm Maya, and I'm from Polandia, and I'm in Indonesia for 5 weeks. I start in Surabaya, and from East Java and Bali and Lombok and Sumbawa and Flores arrived here to Bira yesterday. Most of this time I'm numpang gratis, and yes, yeah, and I think that's all. Yeah.
Oke, sebagai pengantarnya dia 5 minggu di Indonesia. Nama-nama tempatnya tadi sudah disebutkan dan dia katanya suka numpang gratis, free. Kodenya begini, the kodenya. Kalau mau naik bus atau naik apa yang gratis kayak begini. Oke. So what is your education?
So now I'm student. I almost finished my study in Poland. I study to be Dr. Hewan, and in October I'm going back to finish my last year.
Sekarang dia di universitas dan akan menjadi seorang dokter hewan pada bulan Oktober. Oke, tepuk tangan dulu buat kamu ya. Oke, now you can discuss and ask question. Ada? Yeah, who wants to start? Okay, can you take this one?
My name is Muhammad Zaki Munadil Irfan. You can call me Zaki. And I am 17 years old. So before I going to inquire a question, I just want to say my vocabulary isn't enough to speak or understand. So I'm sorry. And my question: what makes you interesting to go in Indonesia? And is it natural beauty or something else? And because there is a lot of beautiful country beside Indonesia, so my question is, what makes you interesting to go in Indonesia? Thank you very much.
Okay, so when I arrived to Asia, I didn't have plan to go to Indonesia, but my friend told me, Maya, you have to go there. I mean, like, it's so beautiful country and so nice people, and I didn't know what, because I start my travel in Singapore, and my plan was to go to Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, but I had to change my plans. So when I finished Laos, I didn't know what to do with myself. And I just reminded, oh, my friend told me, go to Indonesia. And I was like, okay, I can go. So this is one of the reasons. I also never see Volcano. And I really wanted to see Volcano. And I know that Bromo is like the most famous. So this was my second reason. And also I was looking for some voluntarity options. So I found in Flores. In the end, I wasn't there, but it's also one of the reasons. But also, always when I'm going to country, I check nature, what I can do in nature, like mountains, like volcano, waterfalls, forests, everything. And I saw that in Indonesia there is like a lot of this. So yeah, and I can say that for Polish we have only 30 days visa. After that I can extend plus 30 days more. So I can be like maximum 2 months. And I already know that it's not enough for Indonesia, so definitely I will go back here.
Good explanation. Jadi rencananya katanya dia tidak ke Indonesia, tetapi kemudian dapat informasi di Singapura dan kemudian dia melihat bahwa oh kamu sebaiknya ke Indonesia dan dia tertarik untuk melihat mountain Bromo, pegunungan, hutan dan macam-macam sebagainya lain sebagainya. Sehingga kemudian dia berada di sini. Begitu singkatnya. In short, but detail. Okay.
Yeah, I
Maybe
forgot that
other students. Bintang. Do you want to ask something? Yeah. Okay. You can stand here. Yeah. Okay. Here. It's okay. Yeah.
Terus?
Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Karamintang. Yes.
Star. Bintang star.
Really? Okay.
And I want to ask about something.
Apapun juga boleh.
Do you have some pets in your house?
Oke. Pertanyaannya adalah apakah kamu punya binatang kesayangan di rumahmu?
Yeah, so I have dogs, and it's like one dog. She is 12 years old, so quite old. Yes, 1 and 2, 12 years old, and I remember that I bought her like in my middle school. I think
Middle
it's
school.
yeah,
Senior school.
yeah,
Junior.
I think junior, yeah. So I was like 13 or 14, and she's still with me.
Oke. Dia punya anjing dog ya?
Dog, yeah.
Anjing berumur 12 tahun. Dia membelinya pada waktu masih junior school, SMP, dan masih bersamanya sekarang. The dog is old now, but she is still young. Anjingnya sudah tua tapi dia masih muda. Oke. Ada lagi yang mau bertanya? Oke, good. Perkenalan dulu ya. Oke. Kalau kecil suaranya close.
Okay, thank you. My name is Andi Abiu Jagratara Janitra Patwa. You can call me
Nama pendek?
Jagra. Jagra. Yeah, you've been here in 5 weeks, yeah? In Indonesia. Where you go in here? Where is your tour? And how about your experience in here in Indonesia? Is a good experience or a bad experience?
Oh, it's a very big question. Okay, so I'm not sure where to start about experience. Definitely, it's good experience. So because I'm numpang gratis, a lot of people want to help me. So I had situation that, for example, I didn't know where to stay for night, and police told me that, hey, you can sleep here, like in police station. I had situation that people proposed me to sleep in hospital because, again, I didn't know where to sleep, and always a lot of people wants to help me. Like, for example, today, I didn't have plan to be here. But I was just wanted to go to breakfast, and I met another guide from Bira, and he started talking with me, and he told me that about school. So it's another good example. Yeah, and this is something what making that I love traveling. I appreciate it's more than nature, about more that visiting nice place, because I can feel how people welcome me, how they want to help me. It's that they are glad that I'm here, and it's always very impressive for me. Yeah.
Oke. Adalah seorang petualang yang punya cara berpikir yang disebut numpang gratis seperti yang dia sebutkan tadi ya. Sehingga dia tidak tahu di mana dia akan berada, di mana dia akan menginap. Dia pernah dipanggil untuk menginap di hospital, itu rumah sakit, tapi untungnya dia banyak orang yang ingin membantu, sehingga dia merasa sangat senang. Dan ada juga seorang guide yang mengajaknya, yaitu adalah dia tidak sebut namanya tapi saya sebut namanya itu Mr. Anjas di sana sehingga Maya bisa datang ke sini bahwa ada sebuah tempat belajar bahasa Inggris yang menurutnya bagus dan ya kalian bisa berdiskusi dengan kakak Maya. Kakak means older.
I know.
Okay.
I know. Kakak.
Dan karena ini adalah bagian dari kecintaannya untuk traveling, jalan-jalan keliling dunia, dia mengunjungi berbagai macam tempat, bertemu dengan orang dan merasakan bagaimana sambutan hangat dari orang-orang yang dia temui di berbagai macam dunia. Oke, perfect translation. Oke, ada lagi? Ayo silakan. Tidak apa-apa. Make a simple questions, pertanyaan sederhana, whatever you wanna know. Oke, Lin. Yeah, time is yours. Okay. I give it to you.
You will say in Bahasa and they will translate.
He's good in English.
Why and what made you want to become a doctor, and since when did you become?
Oh, good question. Okay, so I don't know. Because I remember, like, always I wanted to be a vet. I would say that maybe it's like my first memory that, yeah, I want to be a veterinary doctor. And when I went to high school, I had to choose profile, and I was like, oh, I'm really close to making my dream, like, finish it. So, and I study, and I almost finished, but I had like a little crisis on my way, and this is why I took a gap year, and I'm here. And also during traveling, when I rest and also see completely different animals on my way, I realized that I really want to go back to my dream from childhood because, I just want to help. And now, specifically when I see these old wild animals, which are maybe will not anymore like in 20 years, I just want to help them.
Oke. Sebenarnya dia nggak tahu katanya kenapa dia harus mau menjadi dokter. Dan dia terus melakukan penjajakan dan di masa dia sekolah, sepertinya SMA, dia mencoba untuk mendekati impiannya. Dan mendekati impiannya itu ternyata kelihatannya bahwa ya saya kembali ke masa kecil saya. Masa kecil saya adalah ya suka binatang juga. Do you have a pet also kan? Nah itulah yang membuat dia ingin membantu juga hewan-hewan yang berkeliaran lah, yang susah gitu. Jadi dia ingin menolong banyak hewan. Bukan menolong banyak orang, menolong banyak hewan. Karena dia akan menjadi dokter hewan. Oke, Lin, do you understand? Even though I don't translate, you know, but beginners they need, and also the social media, on social media. Oke, siapa lagi? Do you have question? Come on, Kate. You? Okay, introduce yourself ya. Okay.
My name is Muhammad Hilal Arabi. You can call me Ilal. Do you have cat?
No, I don't have cats.
What you going to LBB?
Hah?
What you going to LBB?
Why mungkin? Kenapa?
Why you going to LBB?
Why do you come to rumah belajar ya RBB?
Here?
Iya.
Because of my guide. I mean, like, he told me. No. So, because of my guide, who told me that there is some school, and if I want to participate in this kind of meeting, if I have time, and I was like, yeah, sure. I have no plans, and I would appreciate if I can go and meet local people.
Oke. Karena kenapa dia pertanyaannya tadi, kenapa dia ke rumah belajar? Karena guide-nya adalah Mr. Anjas dan dia tidak punya rencana dan Mr. Anjas memberitahukan bahwa ada tempat belajar bahasa Inggris dan oke, dia datang saja, mau saja datang. Oke, begitu. Oke, next. Here. Oke. Nah, dekat saja sini Pak Yat, kalau kecil suaramu. Mundur, besar suaramu.
Hello, so my name is Muhammad Rerehan. You can call me Raya. Ryan, you can call me Ryan.
Kalau kenalan nama kecil aja ya.
Oh, yeah. So my question is, what is your first impression of Indonesia? Yeah.
First impression, I have to go back what was 5 weeks ago? 5 weeks ago. So I think my first impression was like crowded.
Crowded.
Crowded, yeah. And like more like chaos, but in positive meaning.
What is the meaning chaos in positive?
That a lot of things are happening in one moment, I would say. And also that a lot of people already smiled to me. Yeah, I think this is my first impression. Yeah, I think.
Jadi untuk menjawab soalnya dia harus mengingat kedatangannya 5 minggu yang lalu. Jadi sampai dia kemudian mengambil keputusan bahwa yang kesan pertamanya adalah crowded. Crowded itu adalah keramaian. Keramaian meskipun sedikit chaos katanya dalam artian terlalu banyak orang, terlalu banyak keramaian kegiatan. Where is it? Di mana itu? At the first time?
Surabaya.
Di Surabaya. Jadi itu yang kesan yang pertamanya ada di Surabaya. Namun hal yang lain lagi yang sangat dia senangi, bukan namun, dan hal lain lagi yang sangat dia senangi adalah senyum orang-orang Indonesia. Smile ya. Meskipun perdiskusinya pendek tapi mereka selalu tersenyum. Ramah maksudnya. Oke? Oke, the next one. Tama. Ya. Little boy.
Do you like festival? My name is Muhammad Nabil Narsama. You can call me Tama. Baru?
Do you like festival?
What's your hobbies?
My hobby. Oh. I have to think. What is my hobby? I traveled for 6 months and I don't remember. Okay, so my hobby can be dance. I start modern dance 1 year before I start traveling. I really like cooking. I'm cooking. Yeah, I'm vegetarian, so I really like discover new recipes. What is more? I like hiking, definitely. Mountains, yes. And also participate in different events or create some events. I really love reading books. Every summer we have festivals in Poland, so I always glad when I can join. I also like going to abandoned places.
Going to what?
Abandoned places. And I think I can say that travel is also my hobby. Yeah. Maybe I would find something more, but now I think so.
I don't remember what is the meaning abandoned.
Abandoned is like place where people live, but not anymore, and now it's empty.
Oh ya.
Yeah.
Oke. Pertanyaannya ini banyak jawabannya. She has many answers. Dia sudah katanya 6 bulan traveling, jalan-jalan. Berarti itu bagian dari hobinya kan? Yang kemudian nggak ingat lagi. Lalu berpikir terus, dia bilang, oh saya suka menari. Ya, dancing ya. Traditional dance or modern dance? Ya, musik-musik modern lah. Mungkin maybe you are the next Michael Jackson. Dan kemudian dia suka memasak, cooking. Oke? Hiking. Tahu, do you know hiking? Naik mana itu? Naik gunung. Dan ikut bergabung kalau ada kegiatan-kegiatan. Kalau ada festival dan mengunjungi tempat-tempat yang agak sepi juga boleh. Begitu dia hobinya. Oke? Do you understand, Tama? Okay, good. Who is the next? You? Come on. Yeah. Okay, Bintang.
What's in your bag?
Okay. We can check. Okay, so. Oh yeah, sure. Okay, so I have my phone. This is something very important. This is Kindle, because here I have my old books. So always when I don't know what to do with myself, I can read. Yeah, of course some money. My passport, very important stuff. Money here. I have my earphones to listen music. I have my old cards like ID, like credit card, like yeah. This.
Yeah,
I have this, something what I really like. You can try. So you just sniff it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Apa namanya itu? Hah? Apa? Untuk anu hidung, kalau tersumbat
Yeah.
hidung.
Yeah.
Hah?
Fresh care.
Ya.
In my
Inhaler.
backpack. In my
Inhaler
backpack.
in Indonesia.
Inhaler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have also this. This is my medicine. This is like inhalator, we say in Polish.
Ah.
And yeah, and some trashes.
Dan beberapa sampah. Oke, tidak perlu saya terjemahkan ya. Udah ngerti semua? Ngerti? Do you understand? Butuh diterjemahkan? Ya udah, sebagian aja. Some. I will explain to them. in Indonesia.
This.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I have only books. I will show you.
Ya ini hobinya dia membaca juga. Jadi kalau
Yeah.
dia mau membaca, dia buka Kindle-nya ini.
Yeah.
Jadi dia nggak bawa buku lagi, tapi dia bawa Kindle.
Yeah. So there is no Instagram, no TikTok, nothing like this. Here I have only books which I can read. So I don't have to have like 10 of books. I have only this.
Oke.
And I can
Instagram, tidak ada Facebook, tidak ada media sosial apapun, hanya isinya buku. Jadi kalau dia membawa puluhan buku, itu terlalu berat untuk keliling-keliling dunia. Oleh karena itu dia pakai Kindle. Jadi Kindle itu banyak buku bisa dia masukkan di situ. Dari HP-nya dipindahkan ke Kindle, sehingga dia tidak ringan, bisa membaca dimanapun juga. Jadi begitu terjemahannya ya. Saya tambah sedikit. Itulah mengapa kita punya kelas program reading supaya wawasan kita luas. Nanti bisa smart seperti Miss Maya. Kalau rajin membaca.
Buku is book.
Book, iya.
Yeah. Okay. Book.
Oke, next.
How to know this place, this regency, and how you come in this regency, because this regency is not good famous in international, even like Bali, Lombok, and the others. Thank you.
Ya, bagaimana mengetahui kabupaten ini katanya? Pertanyaan.
But you mean like this city or this island or this part of island? This city. Okay, so I wanted to take ferry from Labuan Bajo to Makassar. This was my plan, but there was my next ferry. I would have like 27 May. It was too late for me, and there was another option to go to Bira, not directly. I spent like 27 hours on ferry. It was a disaster. So long, but I have only this option to make it earlier because I wanted to go earlier to Sulawesi to have time to explore, and it's quite random. I'm here.
Oke. Jadi dia awalnya di Labuan Bajo ke Makassar dan ada rencana yang lain dan itu tanggal 27 Mei. Dan untuk lebih mempercepat waktu dia memutuskan ke Bira dan itulah menurutnya yang paling cepat. Oke? You understand? Oke, ada lagi. You. Nah, ini dulu si kecil. Your name?
Hello, my name is Karin Aska Salsabila. You can call me Ais. I am 10 years old. I have question. My question is, where are you from?
Okay, so I'm from Poland. Specific is central Poland. I always say that there is nothing. I mean, like, there is completely nothing. It's flat part of Poland where we don't have sea, we don't have mountains. But I study in east part of Poland, and yeah, I would say.
Oke, dia dari Polandia yang tempatnya itu tidak ada laut, tidak ada gunung. But you can explain the border of Poland is like Russia or German. And
Okay,
etc. Like
okay. So like neighbors is like Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Belarus, Ukraine, Belarus, and Lithuania, and small part of Russia.
Oke.
Yeah, that's all.
Tetangga-tetangganya itu Jerman, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Belarusia, Lithuania.
And Ukraine.
Ukraina.
And Ukraine. Yeah, Ukraine also.
Ukraina dan Ukraina itu negara-negara yang ke timur ya, ke dekat timur di Eropa. Oke. East Europe.
East Europe. Central
Namanya
East.
Timur Eropa Timur. Oke.
Timur or East Timur?
East.
East, okay.
Mengerti? Ya, jadi punya wawasan tentang geografi. You can explain also when the Russia try to occupy your country,
Okay.
and German also. Two big countries want to control Poland in World War II.
Oh no!
Saya mengajak dia untuk menceritakan bagaimana negaranya itu pernah diserang oleh dua negara yang besar pada masa Perang Dunia Kedua. Pertama adalah Soviet.
Yes, Soviet. And Nazis.
Soviet, yaitu Rusia sekarang. Yang dulu adalah Nazi, yaitu dari Jerman. You can talk.
Oh, I'm not sure if I'm the best person to talk
I
about
know
it.
your country.
Because history I had last time in first high school.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so Nazi had planned to occupy Poland, and I don't remember exactly, but they thought that they can took all Poland in one day or 1 week, but Poland was strong and still 1 month. And what I can say more about it? What are you talking about history? Yeah, so for example, with Soviet, we had this problem, that after Second World War, Poland was independent country, but Soviet was not like government, but the government had connection with Soviet. 1989. So 1989, yes. So it was time when we have propaganda, for example, when people have special paper to buy anything, so we have a long queue to buy anything. People try to be against, but it was hard. And what I can say more? Yeah, also from Polish history, but it was 3 centuries before. It was that Poland was separate for different countries, and Poland wasn't on the map 123 years. And after First World War, we started Poland again. Yeah, that's all. Please, not more questions about history.
I make it short. Ya, pertanyaan saya tadi itu membuat dia harus mengingat pelajarannya di masa SMA katanya. Jadi dulu itu pada masa Perang Dunia Kedua itu ada rencana dari Jerman untuk menguasai Polandia. Dan Jerman berpikir, Nazi ya. Oke, Nazi pada zaman dulu, you are afraid of Nazi, but in Indonesia we eat nasi. Saya kasih hiburan dia. Orang-orang di Eropa itu takut sama Nazi, anunya Hitler. Kalau di Indonesia nasi dimakan. Wah, you got it now. Too late. It's okay.
Nasi, not Nazi.
Yeah, I know. Dan Jerman berpikir pada waktu itu bahwa dia biasa menguasai Polandia dalam 1 hari. Tetapi menurutnya, itu tidak bisa. Ya, they couldn't conquer Poland in 1 day.
Yeah, but they make it in the end. Poland in the end was occupied by Germany.
Ya, meskipun pada akhirnya Polandia itu ditaklukkan oleh Jerman. Yang itu adalah Pak Hitler namanya pada waktu itu. Dan yang kedua adalah dari Soviet Union. Tahu Soviet Union? Uni Soviet. Yang sekarang disebut Rusia. Mr. Vladimir Putin. Nah, itu. Ya, itu juga menguasai, dan pada tahun 1989 dia masih until 1989 you still have connection with Soviet Russia.
That we were independent, but in the same time we couldn't change anything.
Oke, sampai tahun 1989 dan dia kemudian merdeka. Sebelum sampai 89 itu mereka selalu punya hubungan dengan Rusia ya. Soviet Union move to Rusia. Dulu Soviet, Uni Soviet, dan kemudian disebut dengan Rusia. Oke?
And also another fact, so during Second World War, Warsaw is capital city, was almost all destroyed, like all buildings. It was, I don't know, like how many percent, like 80, 90, but people rebuilt. So now, like Warsaw, it's still our capital city, but during war, it was like almost all destroyed. Okay.
Moment. Pada masa peperangan tersebut, seperti kita alami di Indonesia pada waktu itu Polandia hancur sehancur-hancurnya. Building, bangunan-bangunan itu tak bongkar-bongkar. Nah, dia rata dengan tanah dan sekarang dia sudah bangunannya sudah hidup kembali. So that's why you can go to university because you have buildings now. Dan dia juga bisa ke universitas karena ada gedung-gedung sekarang kan.
In different city. Yeah. I study in different city, but yeah.
Ya, itu di tempat yang berbeda. Ya.
It's close.
I see. Yeah. Okay, come on. Go on.
Okay, so another fact that before Second World War, we had big Jewish society in Poland. Yeah, this is like quite big fact from Poland.
Yeah.
Because Nazi, of course, they were like anti-Semitic, so they built ghetto in big cities to close people there. And also in Poland, but not only in Poland, but Nazi built like work camp,
Concentration camp.
Yeah, concentration camp. Yeah. So like a lot of people was killing there.
Oke. Fakta yang lainnya sebelum Perang Dunia Kedua itu Nazi Jerman adalah antisemitik, maksudnya membenci orang-orang Yahudi dan mereka adalah orang-orang yang dikejar dan dimasukkan di kamp konsentrasi, tempat dibantainya orang gitu katanya. Dan itu juga terjadi, it happens also in Poland.
Yeah.
Dan itu juga terjadi di Polandia. Oke? Oke, good.
My name is Ratu. What food do you like while in Indonesia? What food do you like while in Indonesia? Yeah.
Oh, food. Okay. Only food or something more?
Hanya makanan, only food. Only food.
Okay, so first what I tried it was gado-gado. Yeah, gado-gado. And I really like it because I'm vegetarian, so I don't eat meat. So it was perfect for me. But I like that Indonesian food is like more light, not so fried. I mean, like there is also fried food, but I feel that there is like also a lot of sayur, so it's nice. Yeah, gado-gado is the best. And also I trying something what I don't remember name, but it was also very similar to gado-gado. Like there was like rice, and there was tahu, and there was egg, and peanut sauce. I love peanut sauce here. Yeah.
I don't know.
I have somewhere there, but I don't want to for now. But usually, like every day, I eat nasi, like nasi every day. No nasi. Yeah, and because I'm vegetarian, I always appreciate that there is here is tahu and tempeh, so I always enjoy to eat this.
Oke, that's good. Sudah enough?
Yeah.
Oke, makanan yang dia sukai adalah gado-gado. Itu adalah yang terbaik bagi dirinya. Dan yang berikutnya adalah dia adalah seorang vegetarian. Do you know vegetarian? Orang yang tidak makan daging. Ya, pokoknya apapun yang berbau daging dia tidak makan. Yang dia makan itu daun-daun, leaves, ya. Pokoknya ya. Dan dia suka juga sayur ya, vegetables. Makanan-makanan yang digoreng, ya. Dan kacang sangat dia suka dan setiap hari dia sudah makan nasi. Oke? Nasi, ya. Nasi, non Nazi, ya. You, come on.
Hello, my name is Alessa. You can call me Alessa. I have a question. My question is, can you speak Indonesian?
Okay, so I'm trying. I really try to remember some words. So always I can say saya dari Polandia. And I know another 20 random words, like Tuhan, for example.
Tuhan?
Yes.
God.
Yeah. Or gila.
Gila.
Yeah, I know. Very random. I mean, like half of my words, it's like about food, like nasi, like tahu tempe, like sayur, minum, and other random like kiri, kanan, Tuhan, hatun.
Hantu.
No, hatun. Like forest.
Hutan.
Hutan, yeah, hutan. Like gila, numpang gratis, of course. Yeah, but maybe next time when I will arrive, I will have better.
Yeah, you know more than I know in Polish. In Poland.
Definitely,
Ya.
definitely.
Jadi dia cukup banyak tahu ya. Pertanyaannya tadi Alesya, apakah Anda bisa berbahasa Indonesia? Jawabannya saya akan mencoba dan dia mengatakan saya dari Polandia. Nah, nasi, tempe, sayur, minum, hutan, numpang gratis, gila, Tuhan. Nah, itu yang dia tahu. Itu semualah yang dia sebut tadi. Oke? Siapa lagi berikutnya? Ayo. Coba, berlatih saja. Ah, ini si kecil. Dah. Ya, Pia. Dah apa-apa, nak? Apa hobi warna kesukaanmu? Coba. Come on.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. Yang lain lagi.
It's okay. Another person.
Oke. Yuk.
Fish or vegetable? Are you like Hershey's or vegetable?
I don't understand what I like.
Apa Indonesianya?
Hershey atau
Hershey?
atau vegetable?
Apa Hershey itu?
Yeah,
Coklat.
it's chocolate.
Okay, so chocolate or what?
Coklat or veggies?
I mean, I like chocolate and vegetables.
Yeah.
And vegetables, of course, is more healthy, so I think it's like more, but chocolate also.
But you like vegetable.
Yeah,
Lebih suka sayur daripada coklat. Hah?
Take that.
Oke. Ya, coba. Enggak apa-apa, pertanyaan sederhana enggak masalah. Yang penting berani dulu. Nah, oke. Give it to here.
Yeah.
Oh, oke. Well, it's okay.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ya, your name ya.
Nggak usah nama panjangnya.
Nama pendek saja, setengah mati orang nama panjang.
My name is Adiba.
Adiba. Ya. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Atau di sampingnya kalau nggak ada. Terdekatnya ada pertanyaan? Nggak ada. Yuk, yang men.
What is your favorite color?
Your favorite color.
I think I don't have my favorite color because I like all colors, but I hate red.
You hate
Yes. But other colors is okay.
Ya, dia tidak suka. Dia tidak suka, tidak punya warna favorit. Tapi yang dia benci ada, namanya merah. Why?
I don't know. I just don't like this
Ini
color.
lagi.
You're
Nah,
my
dia
friend.
nggak tahu alasannya kenapa
It's
dia
okay.
suka merah.
It's okay.
Cepat sekali sih dulu. Oke. Oke. Ada lagi? Ini nih, yang besar badannya. Oh, what is your favorite sport?
Sports. I think I would say dancing and hiking. Yeah.
Dancing dan
Yeah.
hiking. Naik
Yeah.
gunung.
Yeah.
Oke.
No, you want to?
Don't go.
Ada lagi? Sudah puas semua? Oke.
Of
The young
course,
man, the two young men have wanted to know you more.
Okay.
What is your experience that you're not find in your country?
Experience you don't get in your country.
That I'm here and how I feel that I go to my country. It depends. Sometimes I appreciate that I'm here, not in my country. For example, I think that here people are more friendly than in Poland, so I always enjoy. But also I miss, for example, for my language, that I understand what people are talking around me. That people talking, I understand, because like here when people speak in Indonesian, of course I don't understand. So also now I already know where I'm going back to Poland. So in the same times I can't wait. I just want to go back, but also I'm like, shoot, I want to stay here. Yeah. So it's mixed everything.
Tergantung, Beng. Orang-orang di sini tuh lebih ramah, lebih friendly daripada di Polandia. Di sini juga orang banyak orang-orang berbicara dan dia merasa nyaman aja di sini. No? Do you want to stay a little bit longer? Nah, dia mau berada di sini sedikit lebih lama. It's okay.
I will go back.
Nah, dan kemudian dia rubah lagi. Saya akan kembali. Oke. Yuk.
If you go travel again, would Indonesia in your country plan, and why you choose Indonesia again?
Why again?
Again.
Kalau ke Indonesia lagi katanya, pertanyaannya, kenapa harus ke Indonesia lagi?
Okay, so first I met Indonesian people who I want to visit again. Also, Indonesia, it's so big country, and I wasn't in Sumatra. I will see only part of Sulawesi, and I saw only part of a lot of places which I didn't see, so I want to see again. And also, I know that in Indonesia has like a lot of wild animals which need protection. So I hope to connect, like, be Dr. Hewan with, like, I don't know, like some NGOs, some organization. And yeah, I just enjoy this country. I want to eat gado-gado again.
Oke, dia bilang gini, Indonesia adalah sebuah negara yang sangat besar. Dia sudah ke Sumatera, Sulawesi, dan Flores. Belum pernah ke Jawa, dan banyak tempat di Indonesia yang belum dia kunjungi. Dan dia melihat juga banyak binatang-binatang ya, ini pets ya. Dan kemudian berharap suatu saat nanti dia bisa datang ke Indonesia bekerja kayak NGO, ada perusahaan atau lembaga negara yang bukan lembaga-lembaga swasta yang bisa membiayainya untuk bekerja di Indonesia. Dan do you want to work for NGO ya?
It will be nice.
Dan yang satu lagi katanya dia suka gado-gado. Oke.
Exactly.
Okay, next, do you still have nasi?
Nasi?
Still. Anda bisa, you can ask about her country. Tanyakan tentang negaranya.
I will try.
Atau ibunya punya pertanyaan di depan sana? Minta. Bapak punya pertanyaan? Tuh, sana dulu.
No. Another?
Do you have a boyfriend?
I already say no. You?
Oke. Hanya masuk aja sini.
What is the most popular person in your country?
Who is the most popular person in your country? Siapa orang yang paling terkenal di negara?
Okay, so I discovered that usually kids.
Usually?
Yeah, kids from Indonesia know Lewandowski.
Lewandowski. Pemain sepak bola.
Yeah, and I think
paling populer.
yeah. So I think no anymore who can you? I mean, like, yeah, Lewandowski is like the most famous.
Ya. Tahu Lewandowski? Ya, pemain bola yang paling populer.
There is also Szczęsny, but I know that people don't know how to say it. But it's another footballer, Szczęsny. Wojciech Szczęsny.
It is hard to pronounce.
Yes, I know. I know.
Where is he playing now?
I don't know because I don't like football.
Oh ya.
Yeah.
Dia nggak tahu itu yang kedua. Karena dia nggak suka bola kan. But you like the person.
I mean, like, I don't watch, I don't know these people. I mean, like, I just know that, okay, there is like some Lewandowski and that's all.
Okay.
I
Hanya
don't
Lewandowski.
follow this.
Okay. Ada lagi? Maybe Miss Ulfa, do you want to ask about?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like pizza and burger and chicken?
So I like pizza and burger, chicken no because I'm vegetarian.
Dia suka pizza dan burger. Chicken? No. Karena dia vegetarian, tidak makan
Tidak.
Oke.
Burger can be vegetarian. Yeah.
Burger bisa tanpa daging. Ada lagi anak-anak atau orang dewasa? Cukup? Hah?
Yes,
What?
healthy food. Yeah. I like healthy food and I like prepare healthy food.
Dia suka makanan sehat. Pertanyaannya, do you like healthy food? Suka makanan sehat? Ya, tentu. Ya kan?
Do you happy in here?
Yes, definitely.
What?
I'm happy here.
Bahagia di sini. Ya.
Yeah.
Bahagia.
Sometimes too happy.
Too happy. Isa. Ayo bertanya. Ya Isa ya. Bisa ya. Come on.
My name is Hello, my name is Nisa. Hello, my name is Nisa. Hello, my name is
Come on Nisa.
Hello, my name is Nisa. Can we friend? Hello, my name is Nisa. Oh, my name is Nisa. I like in gado-gado.
Yes, I very like gado-gado.
I like color. I like what's the like color? What's the like color? What's the like color?
Color?
What color do you like?
Yeah. So I already say that I like all colors, but I hate red.
Ya. Dia sudah bilang bahwa dia suka semua warna kecuali satu, namanya merah. Alasannya tidak ada. Kenapa nggak suka merah? I don't know katanya.
You said you like healthy food, right? But why you choose as a vegetarian and not eat some meat? Because meat is good for our body and is have more protein. Thank you.
Translate dulu. Katanya Anda vegetarian, tapi kenapa Anda tidak makan daging? Bukankah daging itu berisi protein yang bagus untuk kesehatan? Nah, you answer.
Okay. So it's very deep question because it's about my ethics choice. I just didn't want to participate in like killing animals. I mean, like, this is my personal choice. I don't push other people, but it's like just about me. About protein, like there is also a lot of vegetables which also have protein. So I'm vegetarian for 9 years and I feel very, very good. So.
Jadi ethic choice, pilihan etika saja, pilihan dirinya sendiri saja. Dia tidak suka membunuh binatang, apalagi memakannya ya. Dan itu hanyalah pilihan personal choice, pilihan pribadi. Dan kalau misalnya protein juga bisa didapatkan selain daripada makanan daging. Ada di sayur-sayuran, pokoknya di berbagai macam tempat. Terjemahannya.
I like animals, but not eat animals.
Dia suka binatang, tapi tidak suka makan binatang. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite movie?
Apa film kesukaan Anda?
Favorite movie? I know. Okay. Do you know Spider-Man Universum? No, like Spider-Man Universum. It's like specific Spider-Man. It's like cartoon, which make like, yeah, Sony make it. I love it. And it's also second part and it'll be third part. So yeah, I love it.
Ya, yang dia suka itu Spider-Man Cartoon Bank. Tahu ya? Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Usnol. What is your favorite food in your country?
Oke. Apa makanan kesukaan Anda di negara Anda?
Okay, so in my country, I have a lot of my favorite food, but something what I love, and it's like tradition that my mom making during like August, September, knedle. And I will show photo, it will be easier.
Oke, dia akan menunjukkan ya. Jadi banyak makanan dan dia suka makanan buatan ibunya. Namanya knedle. It's hard ya.
Yeah, no,
dia
it's
akan
sweet,
menunjukkan
it's
gambarnya.
sweet. Inside it's plum.
Manis.
Plum.
Ya, plum.
Plum is inside.
Lupa saya juga. Apa itu? Apa itu plum?
Wow. Wow.
How do you say plum?
I like this.
Yeah? Yeah.
It's okay.
It's,
Itu ada juga
it's
gambarnya
like
plum.
this. It's plum inside. It's very sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oke. Audrey. Habis itu si kecil sana. Ya.
Yeah? You want to?
Do you like music?
Huh?
Do you like music?
Music? Of course. Of course, definitely. Yeah, like electronic. Maybe some rock.
Oke, sana. Kita. Ini dulu.
My name is Rendra.
Retra?
What's your favorite music?
Jadi pertanyaannya tadi gini, good Rendra, you see. Jadi dia bilang tadi ini, Maya bilang, tolong jangan tanyakan apa musik kesukaanku. Rendra bertanya, apa musik kesukaanmu? Oke. Good Christian.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, so I would say like electronic music, like
electronic music.
yeah, some rock music, like like more underground music.
Underground?
Yeah, but it's always really hard to say like what specific I like. I have some band which I like, but also it's like Polish band which is not popular. So yeah, it's very hard to say like one word. Yeah, what I exactly like.
Oke. Dia agak sulit menyebutnya katanya musik apa. Tapi yang umumnya itu elektronik musik yang ada yang pakai listrik itulah. Ya. Dan yang berikutnya adalah rock musik dan musik-musik bawah tanah, maksudnya musik-musik perlawanan mungkin. Oke.
Do you know song Summertime Sadness?
Yes, of course. Yeah,
What is the question?
Do I know song Summertime Sadness, Lana Del Rey?
Oke.
Lana Del
Kenapa
Rey.
beda yang nama? Ya, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Of course.
Are you speak Poland?
So Indonesia has like 600 languages, and you have like this one language, 700, and you have this one language like Indonesian, which you speak like everywhere. So in Poland, it's like much more simple because we have one language, it's Polish, and all people speak in Polish. Sometimes you have like some difference to name something. For example, for
Different accent.
accent, it's not so much, but sometimes, for example, we have different words for field. Some people are going outside, some people are going for field.
Yeah.
But it's not a big difference. We still can understand each other. We have like one specific dialect, and that's all.
Oke, kalau di Indonesia dia tadi menyebutnya Anda mempunyai Indonesia katanya punya 600. Saya bilang 700-an ya. 700 bahasa daerah. Dan di Polandia hanya lebih sederhana. Mereka hanya punya satu. Tetapi untuk menyebutkan satu benda, misalnya lapangan, kayak kita bahasa Bugis beda dengan bahasa Makassar. Tapi meskipun beda-beda kampung, beda penyebutan, mereka bisa saling mengerti. Oke, mengerti maksud saya? Oke. Oke, next. Oke, come on. Little boy.
What did you have a boyfriend?
Always.
Did you have a boyfriend? Not do you.
Pacar, pacar?
Pacar.
No.
You don't believe that. Did you? The question is did, not do you.
I mean, like, I'm not interested in, so no.
Oke. Pertanyaannya Bintang bagus. Tadi pertanyaan sebelumnya adalah Bapak Sana, do you have a boyfriend untuk masa sekarang? Apakah kamu punya seorang cowok, pacar? Katanya tidak. Kemudian pertanyaan berikutnya dari Bintang dia mengatakan, did you have a boyfriend? Apakah kamu dulu? Dulu punya pacar enggak? Nah, pertanyaannya lampau. Dia juga jawab, tidak. Saya tidak tertarik. Oke. Do you? It's okay.
Yeah, I just no. What is gulu?
Hah? What?
What is gulu? Gulu? You say something in gulu. What's
Dulu, past.
Dulu.
Past time.
Dulu. Okay, dulu. I will try.
A simple past.
Okay. And how is future?
Your question. Your answer.
Okay.
Do you have a best friend?
Punya teman baik?
Yeah, I like this question. Yeah, I have my best friends, I would say, and we lived together when I was studying in my city. And every month we send email to update like information what she did, what I was doing, and yeah.
Oke, dia punya teman baik katanya. Dia teman kamar ya, roommates ya.
Yes.
Dan selalu mengirim dalam 1 bulan. Kalau beda tempat dia mengirim email, ngirim kabar lah. She or he?
She.
Ya, perempuan
Like
juga.
two she, I would say.
Hah?
Two friends, two.
Ya, 2 teman baik, semuanya perempuan, tidak laki-laki. No, not men, but woman. I said like your best friend.
But I can have like best friend men from Labuan Bajo.
Tapi dia punya teman best friend band di Labuan Bajo. Ya.
I mean, like he's from Sulawesi, but now he live in Labuan Bajo.
Dia dari Sulawesi, tapi dia sekarang tinggal di Labuan Bajo. Who is the lucky man?
His name is Abi.
Adi.
Abi.
Abi. Namanya teman anunya katanya laki-laki itu Abi. Abi means father.
Oh.
That is Arabic language.
Okay.
Abi. Itu Abi dalam bahasa Arab. Abi. Abi artinya ayahku. Oke? Cukup? Ayahku.
So
Ini
many
dulu.
questions.
Ya.
I like swimming.
Do you like?
Yeah.
Ya, suka berenang?
I never like swimming, but I start liking when I start swimming in Indonesia.
Dia tidak suka berenang, tapi dia mulai untuk menyukainya ketika berada di Indonesia berenang.
Yeah, exactly 2 weeks ago.
Tepatnya 2 minggu yang lalu. Audrey,
Do you like snake Indonesia?
you like apa?
Snake.
Do you like snake Indonesia?
What?
Snake.
Snake, ular. Suka ular katanya. Soalnya Nana yang
I saw only one snake, I think, in Indonesia.
Yeah.
I think I cannot say that I like them. It's like neutral, I would say.
Netral juga yang suka, tidak juga, benci juga enggak. Netral aja. Oke, the next you.
What your favorite food bisa eat gado-gado?
Apa kesukaannya selain gado-gado?
We cannot talk about gado-gado because now I want to eat gado-gado.
Ya jangan bahas tentang gado-gado. Kalau bahas mau makan gado-gado.
Do you think shark is cute?
Apakah Anda menganggap
Sharks
shark
cute.
itu manis, bagus?
Yeah, I would say they are cute.
Ya, cute deh. Pertanyaan Anda lucu-lucu ya. Ya. Apa? Bahasa Indonesia kan? Ya, sekarang buat yang pemula yang tidak tahu bahasa Inggris, boleh bertanya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Saya akan menerjemahkannya ke dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke. Sekarang untuk pertama kalinya dikasih kesempatan bicara Indonesia. Udah, bisa Indonesia aja. Tapi usahakan Inggris kalau bisa.
What is your favorite books?
Apa buku kesukaanmu?
I have a lot of favorite books. Okay, so first, I mean, like I always say, my favorite is about Percy Jackson.
Percy Jackson.
Percy Jackson, yeah, he knows. Yeah, so I remember that I started reading this in my when I was 13, 14, and I still reading this because there is like more books. I also like Yuval Noah Harari. It's like more philosophic history. Yuval Noah Harari.
How do you say?
I don't know. This is the name, but the name of book is *Sapiens*. The short. Wait a second. *Sapiens*. Short history of humankind.
Oh, short history.
Of humankind. Yeah. And I have like much more, but always these two I say.
Oke. Siapa tadi bertanya itu? Siapa pertanyaan? Oke. Jawabannya adalah banyak. Yang dia suka itu salah satunya adalah Percy Jackson. Saya nggak tahu Percy Jackson. Saya belum membaca sehingga tidak bisa menjelaskan. Ada lagi satu, yaitu buku Filsafat. Filsafat yang menjelaskan tentang sejarah singkat tentang umat manusia. Wah, I don't know the book. Apa namanya? How do you say the book?
This?
Ya.
Like writer is Yuval Noah Harari.
Alam, baik. Bukan bahasa Inggris. No English ya?
No, it's not English.
Okay. Have you read Sophie's World?
Sophie's?
Yeah, Justin Goro from Norway.
No.
Ah ya, like me. Dia juga nggak baca apa yang ku baca. It's okay.
Who wants more?
Siapa mau lagi katanya? Oke, ini Indonesia. Ya, boleh, boleh. I will help you in English. Oke, come on. Harus berani. Ya.
Tanya dulu, perkenalkan namanya dulu. What is your name?
My name is Farhana.
Marhana? Marhana. Oke, Marhana.
Farhana.
Marhana.
Are you know?
Hah?
How old are you now?
How old are you now? 24 tahun. Oke, next. Kita nak. Ah ya, little boy. Come on. You raise your hand. Do you want to take it? Or no?
Tangannya yang mau.
I'm good. Jadi by the way Indo ya. Apa kartun kesukaan lo?
Apa?
Do you like what do you like cartoon?
Why do you like cartoon?
Yeah.
Ask here, not me.
Cartoon.
Yeah, ask her. What do you want to say to her?
Bertanya sama dia dong.
Why?
What?
Don't look at me, look at her.
What do you like cartoon?
Why?
Oh. I don't know. I mean, like, I think I like animation. That there is no like simple people who I can see like on the street, but it's more like animation, and it's always different.
Oke, dia suka kartun karena dia suka gambar-gambar animasi ya. You can die in a minute, you live, okay.
Not this kind of animation.
Saya bilang bisa mati dalam 1 detik, kemudian hidup lagi. Dia bilang seperti itu. So,
Can I speak Indonesian?
huh?
Can I speak Indonesian?
Can I speak Indonesian? Yeah.
Di mana kamu kuliah?
Where is your university?
So my university is in east part of Poland. The name east part of Poland. Name of city is Lublin. Lublin. Yeah, and university is like University of Science.
University of Science.
Yeah, I would say like this is the translation.
Oke. Dia di bagian timurnya Polandia di Lublin. Nama universitasnya adalah Universitas Sains. Ya, dokter. Disuntik orang ini. You give it the injection. Oke, cukup.
What's your favorite drinks?
My favorite drinks.
Oke. Apa impian terbesar? Ya, impian favoritmu?
I very like tea. I mean like different kind of tea, like black, white, green, red, yeah, all
Warna-warna
tea.
beda.
But no sugar. I mean like I saw that Indonesian always people add sugar, gula to
Dia tidak
tea.
suka gula.
I prefer not sugar.
Oh.
Why you are vegetarian?
Why do you become a vegetarian?
Okay, so this question it was, so I say again that it's about ethics, that I didn't want to like participate in killing animals.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's so direct, but it's true.
Repetition, ya. Dia tidak suka membunuh binatang. Oke?
Are you like technology?
You like technology? Eh?
Technology, science. Science. Science.
Yeah, do you like science?
Something interesting, something what I can understand more.
Take it to bed.
Can I say again or yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I like science because of science I can understand more what around me.
Ya, dia suka sains karena dengan sains dia bisa mengetahui dunia yang ada di sekitarnya. Dunia yang ada di sekeliling dirinya.
My name is Rumi. My question is there moringa vegetables in your country? Moringa. Kelor.
It's a miracle tree.
You want to like show me next?
UNESCO says that it is a miracle tree.
Ano, laki-laki terjaga di negaramu. Parana, dapat na waktunya dah. Ini juga ya, Pak.
Yeah,
Is it
it's a
right?
tropical country. I think no.
I think no. I think we don't have.
Sepertinya nggak ada. Itu di
I
negara
want to
tropis.
translate too, and I will see.
Coba dia tunggu dulu, dia berusaha mentranslate-nya ke dalam bahasa Polandia.
But I don't think so. We have this.
Tapi dia nggak yakin. Tidak ada.
Oh, and also we don't have coconuts.
Dan juga tidak punya kelapa.
We don't have banana. We don't have dragon fruit.
Tidak ada pisang, tidak ada dragon fruit. Apa itu? Buah naga.
We only import bananas, but we have a lot of apples.
Tapi hanya mengimpor pisang, tapi banyak apple, banyak apel. Durian?
No, no durian.
Nggak ada durian.
We have pears. We have strawberry.
Nah,
Blueberry, yes. Also, plums, cherries. Cherries. Yeah.
Oke, the last one. Ya, you. Do you have? Nisa masih ada, Nisa?
Did you have a vehicle in your house?
Have what?
Have a vehicle?
Vehicle. Like motorcycle, bicycle.
Oh, okay. So bicycle, yes, of course I have. Bicycle, it's maybe not. It's like normal vehicle in Poland, but we don't have motorbikes. We don't have scooters. I mean, like sometimes you can meet person who has a motorbike, but it's very rarely. We use mostly cars, bicycle, or walking.
Ya, dia punya sepeda, tapi di sana kebanyakan orang tidak naik motor. Mereka punya mobil atau jalan kaki. Gitu? Oke, ntar pulang, foto bareng dulu Mang. Oke, cukup. Kita foto lagi. Itu dulu, ke sana. Sebentar ya, setelah kelas selesai kita foto dulu.
I like just apple.
Apple? Yes, I very like. Yeah.
What?
Oh, apple.
Yeah, apple? Yeah. Good.
We making cake from apple and jam and juice.
Dibuat kue, dibuat jus, toh? Macam-macam lah, pokoknya diminum-minum. Oke, good ya. Cukup ya. You can continue your question after we take picture together.
Do you like grape? Do you like grape orange?
Orange, yes.
Oke, cukup ya, bentar. Nah,
Photo?
yeah. Because some of them wanna go home,
Okay.
so I'm afraid they don't get the picture with you.
Okay,
So after this
sure.
we can talk with them.
Sure.
Oke, kita foto bareng ya sebelum pulang. Oke.